Hari ni kita nak unboxing Alcatroz Keyboard X Go proper 100 BT. BT is for Bluetooth. The cost I buy at pandai is RM49. 49 ringgit. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Keyboard. And nothing, just keyboard only. Right. So this is the keyboard. Yes, this is the Alcatroz. This is a Bluetooth and no dongle. Just connect to the Bluetooth. So look at this. This is model name Xplorer Go 100 BT Bluetooth wireless keyboard. A product of Singapore, made in China. Alright, so this is button to connect. It's not really hard to do. So this is on off. First of all, we need to check the battery. Okay, so they have give the battery, free gift battery. It use AAA, two battery AAA. I'm sorry. So we will try to on it, and a light there that show battery. Maybe you can see there is a, I think this is common for Apple. So kita akan add Bluetooth.
I don't talking.
Add. So kita ada, that's the keyboard that we want to connecting. So just wait a second. Okay, device is ready to use. So we test it. We test it. So I think it's work. It's really okay. The travel is really quite nice. Not too deep. No, the sound is not really loud. You can hear. There is a button FN for volume. So FN volume. So look there. Volume down, volume up. So it's really functioning. Control. Let's see we use control copy. Control A first. Okay. Look at that monitor. Use control A. So control A, okay, connect. Control X. So control X. So we use control V. Look at that. Control V. So it works. Space button, it works.
Wait, I want to try something. Okay, done.
So for Windows, there is command. I think command is for Apple, but for Windows, this Windows button just like this.
Yes.
This Windows. It's really suitable for any kind of OS operating system that you want to use. They have iOS, Android, and Windows, so you can connect to phone, to iPhone. Now we want to show the range. So I will
Test.
ask my brother to test this, see the range of the Bluetooth. So you type QW, okay? Go far away. We want to test the Bluetooth range. So look at it. It's still typing. Now my brother is at up floor. It's really have the range, large range, higher range with the Bluetooth connection. Let's see how. Okay, now Hazim will go outside the house to test the keyboard. So let's see the range. Is okay. Still the range. QW. Wow, still good. If you want to know how far is this, so this is the keyboard, and that's the place that we test the keyboard. Really so far. What's the range of it?
Huh?
The range. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 5 meter, around 5 to 6 meter. Alright. So that's all I think. So I think this keyboard is really good for 50 ringgit. We will update our review after 3 months use.
And so yeah, thanks for watching. And if you enjoy, you can like the video. And if you want, you can subscribe and you can share to other people if it's this good thing, for your friend or family.